Welcome back to the restoration of the Enfield 8000. Today we're looking at this major contactor here, and the pads and the points inside are badly worn. Set of new points and the contactor pads have been purchased, and these have to be fitted. First of all, I've disconnected the batteries, so the car is electrically dead. Next, I'll disconnect the electrical connections on the contactor, and I've got to take these two little location pins out the side, and then I've got to take the nuts off here, and I'm hoping that will then just slide up and out. Oopsie. With the unit out the car, it's relatively easy to unscrew the plastic lid. And lift it off. The old contacts are quite badly worn. This centerpiece lifts out, but you have to be careful to actually change the little plastic insert that's the driving piston, because that locates on the end of the contactor plate, and if you're putting new ones in, they may not fit. So there's a lot of play on the new one there, and it does supply a new part which is a much tighter fit and is the same length. So we're going to put that into the contactor and mount that on there.
These look exactly the same, except of course they're not badly pitted and bent. So we'll place those back in.
I've already put new contactor pads into here, so they look a lot better. We'll put the spring back onto the top unit. Stick it back together, put the screws back in the top, and tighten them down. So there, the new points are fitted. They seem to operate correctly. So that seems to be ready to go back in. So this is an Albright type SW200 12 volt contactor. As this is the main power, I'm going to lock nut to use my spare brass nut up. These brass nuts seem to be a slight premium, so we'll put that on there, and then at least I shall have a spare on the car, and that shouldn't come undone. Last job is to then reconnect the power and put the little balance capacitor and the smoothing diode.